Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to share another class that I took at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was here in September, in the middle of September in Mesa, Arizona. And so this class was taught by Stamplistic. They had their own company, and they've also bought out another company called Art Anthropology, I think. I think something has that name on it in here. So I'll be able to better tell you what it is. But I took this class. I don't remember the name of the class. These are the things that I got. Some of this stuff I ended up buying after taking the class, and then I did a little haul in their booth as well. But here's the class. It was called WAXTACULAR 2.2, and that's the company, Art Anthropology. So I loved this class. This class was so much fun. I loved like all the dimension you get and everything. So you could bring, they supplied you with a couple of cardstocks that were embossed, but you could bring your own cardstock that you embossed prior, so you had more to play with. So that's what I did. So I have a bunch of them here. I'll share with you all the ones that I made. I believe we got a bunch of these sponges from the class as well. That was included. And then I bought a bunch of the wax paste. That's what we use to highlight these things, so I'll show you those. I took them all out of the packaging. I'm debating if I need to keep the packaging or not. We also got this towel too, because it makes a mess, so you want to wipe and burnish the color in. As you do that, it gets shinier. So I don't know if you guys use these Gilder's paste wax. Do you guys keep the packaging? Let me know. I think I'm just gonna pull out the card bases to have, so that I can you know, make some kind of collection that I know what colors I have. But so that's the gilding paste that I got. They are all in here. It was hard to decide what color to get, because I'm starting off, and of course you can't just buy one, so so I got 6. I couldn't decide which one to buy, and there's other ones that I wanted and I didn't get them. But oh well, this is a good starting base, and then I can add to my collection. So I did get these fingerettes from the Creek Bank Creation. They were another vendor there, and I did use these to spread the wax on my embossing, my embossed card, but I don't know if I like using them or not yet. Yeah, I think I still need to play with them and figure that out. But here are some of the panels that we made, and we added that wax to them. Look at that. And this is just a black cardstock. So the color you see is from the gilding, I mean the wax paste. So cool, huh? And then some of them I haven't used yet. I cut a whole bunch of backgrounds so I could take them with, because I didn't know you know, what type of embossed would work well or not, so I just had a bunch of extra ones. Here's another one. This is my Dallas cowboy color one. But we're just laying color down, just seeing the effects that they give off on the raised edges. Here's another one. I know this is the patina with some silver probably, and then little bronze or gold highlights. But all of these panels, even if they're mistake ones, you could still use them as backgrounds for card bases. They're all pretty. Look at this with the weave. I don't know if it's the pattern or the wax. Not sure what I like better. But yeah, that one is a good one, huh? Here's another one. Has the blue, silver, and then the red. Some of it times it looks orange. It's just all different. It's pretty cool. And this one with the gears, that one's pretty cool too. And that one was on the black, this one's on the white, and that's how you get the different color too. That's why these were colored. These are the same colors, it's just one's on black cardstock, one's on white cardstock. Same colors. And then you can see the different effect you get here. Same colors, just black cardstock, white cardstock. Look at that on the black. I like how that one comes out. Ooh. And then this one's on the black. And then the same color is just on the white. So cool how you get the two different tones. Here's one I was just messing around with. It's very light. Here's another one. This one was on white. And this one is on the black. Cool, huh? That's a cool effect. And then I just have more blank embossed pieces that I did not do anything with. I wasn't sure if it would work well with the foil pieces or not, but now I have a few embossed card bases that I can use for the future. But yeah, isn't that something? It's so cool, huh? How these come out, and you just apply them on like you don't even need to use a whole bunch, just very lightly, and you can store these in here. And let me just show you real quickly. We'll do this here. So get some of the wax up. And if you don't press too hard, then it'll just get the parts that are raised. If you want more coverage, then press harder and it'll get in between, but still more of it on the embossed part. It does have a smell. It does have an odor. It's kind of strong because it is like stain. That's what it smells like, stain. Like for the wood stain. I don't feel like it's as strong, but definitely smells like that as I bring it up to my nose. But yeah, that's all you do is just lightly lightly. This one is the patina. They're a little tricky to open. I would think people who have arthritis probably have a hard time opening these. I'm not sure if they have something better or not. Okay, so let's add the patina. And this one I'm just gonna do it down here. See, and you overlap them. It's a different color. Can blend them together to form this different color. But that's it. So simple. Just rub over them and then you get this nice little effect over your embossed image. Yeah, so I'm sure this is, well, I know it is. It's for mixed media, but and I'm sure there's lots more stuff you can do with it than just doing what I'm doing, but since I'm learning, this is the first project I've learned to use it on. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you guys use these products. And I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!